Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in this session, I will discuss with you the functions of the various subcomponents of CPU, storage, and I/O devices which were suggested by the von Neumann architecture in the main sections or components of his proposed architecture for the modern computer system. So dear students, the first component, the main section which the von Neumann suggested was the CPU. And CPU has few components inside it. The first one is the control unit. We simply call it the CU. CU stands for control unit. Control unit is the internal part of the CPU. As its name suggests, it controls the flow of data through the CPU. All movements of the data and instructions, the commands between various components of the computer system are being controlled by the control unit. Control unit is also responsible to establish the communication between the different components to send and receive the data and instructions. It also tells the various components how to process or how to act upon or how to respond to an instruction. So basically, the control unit controls the overall flow of the data and the instruction inside the CPU. The next component is immediate access store. We call it IAS for immediate access store. It is also a type of memory, but it is the reserved memory found inside the CPU. It is also sometimes called the CPU memory. This CPU memory means IAS holds data to be processed and instructions which are needed to process the data inside it, and this data and instructions are brought into the IAS from the main memory for processing by the CPU. The simple reason behind this, the main memory contains the other information as well, all the programs and the data which the computer system is processing or needs to be processed is first loaded into the main memory of the computer system, then the CPU takes that data and processes it. So in this way, the main memory of the computer system is occupied by many different types of data and many different types of instructions which the different programs are using and executing. So sometimes it becomes slow, and sometimes the available storage to hold the data and instruction is not readily available, and the CPU has to wait. That is why the immediate access storage is there. The CPU takes the required data and the instruction from the main memory to the immediate access store, means its own reserve memory, and then process it immediately. That is why it is much faster than the main memory. Now boys, third and the most important part of the CPU is arithmetic logic unit, ALU. It is also the internal part of the CPU that perform arithmetic and logical calculation or operations on the data. What is meant by arithmetic calculation and what is meant by the logic calculation or operations? Arithmetic part of the ALU perform calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, taking the logarithm, or taking the sine, cosine, tangent, such like calculation on the data. And logic part of the arithmetic logic unit is responsible for doing comparison and condition checking on two parts of the data. For example, checking greater than, less than, equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, or not equal to. So these type of calculation are being performed by the logic part of the ALU. Data or values which needs to be processed by the arithmetic logic unit should be placed in a general purpose CPU register accumulator for calculation to be carried out by the CPU. Now boys, your home task. Your first task is to watch the video lesson number 13, and what was told to you in this video lesson, the three subcomponent of the CPU means the control unit and its function, the immediate access store and its function, and the arithmetic logic unit and its function. The second home task for you is read the relevant information discussed in this lesson from the topic 3.01 in chapter number 3 from your course book written below. Well, dear students, you may have any confusion or queries to be asked from me. If you have any query, you can post it on my WhatsApp group written below. Thank you very much, boys. Allah Hafiz.